Hey, what up, guys? It's your girl Esta, aka Bunny, aka Bun, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns. Guess what? I got what you came here for. Thanks so much for clicking on this video, and if you have not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's red. You cannot miss it. It's right over here. And go ahead and click that bell notification that's right next to it, and click that like button, because I know, listen, you already know, towards the end of the video, I always have a bonus clip for you. So you might as well go ahead and give this video a thumbs up while you at it. And I also have a major announcement, and I'm pretty sure somebody is going to be excited about this. So let me go ahead and get started with this video. This video is going to be short and sweet because there's not a lot of stuff that I use. If you don't know, I am a very, very lazy Microlocs sister. I don't really do much to my hair. Just look at my previous videos. You'll basically, I don't do, yeah. So the stuff that I use is mad simple, and you already know. Let's just go ahead and, yeah. One of the tools that I use is shears. Regular hair shears. I use this to trim my ends, and that's the only reason for it, is for me to trim my ends. I don't pick this up other than trimming my ends. You can get this at your local beauty supply store or Amazon. Another tool that I use is this elastic hook snapper. I don't know the name. I don't know the name. Basically, it helps pop the rubber band when you do your braiding band. And this is the elastics that I use. I use color elastics for me to see when I need to pop it with this. This is very importante. I also use a non-elastic scrunchie. I use this for my reties. Sometimes I would also use it to like put my hair in a pineapple before I go to bed. Another tool that I use are butterfly clips. I got these from the Dollar Tree. If you don't know, they have butterfly clips there, okay? So you can't say you can't get this. This is one of the things you can get. And also the beauty supply store also have these too. And of course, Amazon has everything, and also Wally World. Another tool that I use Gator Clips. I'm from down south, so I call these Gator Clips. I don't know what you guys call it. Leave a comment down below what you guys call this. I use a really tiny one for the front when I do my retie sessions. And then I also use this one just for like the back, and like sometimes I would use this in the front too, but majority of the time I would use this for the front. But these are the two that I use. I got this from the local beauty supply store, so I don't know, that's where I got it from. You can get it from Amazon too, but if you want something quick and ready and handy, beauty supply store. Another tool that I use is an Ionic blow dryer, and this is what it looks like. It has two nozzles. Well, it actually has three. The very narrow one, a diffuser nozzle, and the one that comes, when it comes in the box, it comes like this. The one that I use is the diffuser nozzle, and I don't know where I put the other two nozzles because I don't really use them. If you don't know, I do not air dry my hair. I always blow dry my hair. I don't like my hair being wet, so I blow dry my hair. Just attach this bad boy like this, and then you just replace it with the other nozzles. It's very lightweight, could take it anywhere. I like this. This is the bomb, and this is one of the tools that I use. This is my baby. What you've really been waiting for, I know. what you've really been waiting for. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the needle that I do not use. I do not use this needle. We only purchased this when we first started the Microloc journey. I was retightening my hair with this, and then my friend had created 3 new needles for us, and I'm only stuck with 2 of them. I lost one. This is one of the ones that she created, and I used this one for my edges when they were really tiny in the beginning. I no longer use this though. This one she also made. As you can see, it has a lot of wear and tear. So this baby, this is my baby. I still use it. I don't use it often because I have 2 new needles that I use. The current needles that I use at this stage of my locks, I use a slightly curved needle. I created this needle, and also another bent needle. And these are the 2 needles that I use currently. They're kind of big, but I like the fact that they're big to where you can't really lose them, and also they're very durable. That's all the tools that I use for my hair. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. And don't forget to click that subscribe button that's over here. And you might as well give this video a thumbs up and click that bell notification that's over here. Also, I appreciate you so much, and I can't wait to come back and give you some more information and some tools and some other content. Yeah. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye. Hey, it's Esta here. Oh, you thought we was done? You thought we was done? You know I got you, son. I bet you're trying to find out what we got. Hey, let me tell you something. I see you guys watching my videos, but nobody's subscribing. So, if you really want to be part of this giveaway, listen, I need to reach 1,000 subscribers. So, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. You know why? Baby, you will get a blow dryer from me. Wait. You will get a personalized, customized needle from me. And a little trinket. Yes. You'll get 2 tie scrunchies, a needle, and 2 Gator Clips. Listen, okay, you guys, okay, listen. I'm looking in the bag right now. You want to see the needle? I'll show you the needle. A personalized needle from me. Where they do that at? You might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button while you're at it. But there's some rules and regulations before we get to this though. In order for you to be part of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, all you have to do is follow my personal Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my hair care Instagram. Simple and sweet. But after you've done all of that, you need to comment in this video, a ghost emoji and a camera emoji in order for you to be part of this giveaway. I know, I'm giving so much. It's so easy. All you gotta do is subscribe. If you are wanting to figure out if this is real, you could just go ahead and replay this video to make sure it's real, because it's real. It's as real as it can get, okay? But other than that, you guys have a good night, a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.